This is Tier 2, Lesson 2, Transformations of Cubics. So remember from before, the vertex form of a cubic function, or any function in that transformation notation, is this ax minus h cubed, because it's cubic, plus k. So remember, all things outside are vertical, and all things inside are horizontal. So if we look at this function, first I want to graph the parent function of x cubed. So remember, I have my 3 dots, and there's my parent function. And now I want to list my transformations. So the first thing I need to do is my inside left and right. So I'm going to go left 1. Then I'm going to do my outside, my vertical things. So this negative is a vertical flip. This 1/2 times is going to multiply all my y values by 1/2. That's why it's going to be a compress by a factor of 1/2. So I'm going to multiply everything and go half as far. And then I'm going to move it down 3. Remember, this has to be my last one. So remember, I'm going to take every point and I'm going to shift it in those directions. So I'm going to start with this point. I'm going to go left 1. Then I'm going to flip it vertically. Well, it's 1 away, so I need to go 1 away above. Now to compress it by 1/2, I need to go half as far, so 1/2. And now I'm going to move it down 3. 1, 2, 3. And there's my final point. I'm going to take this point, move it left 1. Vertical flip, well, it's already on the axis, so it's not going to do anything. If I compress by 1/2, well, it's 0 away from the axis, so half of 0 is just 0. And then down 3, 1, 2, 3. And finally, I take my last point, I go left 1. I vertically flip it, so it's 1 away, so I need to go 1 away down here. I need to compress it by 1/2, well, it's 1 away, so now I need to go half as far. And then down 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to graph it using flipping my end behavior. So this one was going down. If I vertically flip, it's going to be going up. This end was going up, and if I vertically flip it, it's going to be going down. So here's my graph.